Mommy, I'm not myself.
It's because you are looking at this food. You have lost concentration.
It's mosquito that bites my mouth. Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today is a good day.
Amen. Because of, let me show you guys why today is a good day. Amen. Let me show you guys. So I did toast for myself and tea. And of course, I'm not going to eat alone. These children are all over me. Kama says, I'm my best friend ever.
Mommy. Guys. Hi, guys. Are you back to school? Hey, guys. Mosquito bites me in my mouth. And we have mosquito spray in my house. Bye-bye. Now you see your own checks.
Who has followed me till the time of when I gave birth to Kaima and now? Kaima is not a big girl. Kaima is one blowing you for kisses. What are you doing with my egg? Good morning, who?
Mommy, you have to bed now. You have to share with everyone.
I did it with cheese.
You have to share with. When you have to bread, you have to share with everyone.
You have eaten your own.
She loves it a lot though. It's even hot. Mom, I want to test some.
Test what now?
This tea.
Mama they chop alone. Mama no they chop alone.
Oh, yeah, I have tea, Mom. Mommy, let's test the tea. It is tasty and yummy and tasty. Mommy, can I test? Test? Let us test it. You test first.
You could beg so much, do you know? You beg.
Yeah. Me, I will take tea. I will blow it, of course. Me, I will take the tea. She loves. Oh.
That's why, yeah. Open your mouth.
Mommy, I don't like to drink Zobo.
We'll drink Zobo
Mom,
later.
I don't taste egg.
Okay.
I don't taste egg. Oh.
You know.
What kind of egg is this? Mommy, I want to taste.
But you guys have eaten your own food.
Huh? I want bread. Mommy, let me taste some bread. Oh!
I'll see you guys. Let me just finish eating this my food. And of course,
everyone.
it's not baba yet. We just woke up, but them they've showered, they've eaten, they've had their breakfast. I woke up this morning and I waited till this is like past 11 to have this breakfast so I can carry me till 4-5 o'clock. I'll eat my last meal.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
I'll eat my last meal, but yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys.
When I'm on this bread, everything will help.
I know you want to drink.
Is it tea? Wow, it's so tasty.
Good morning and happy new week. How are you guys doing? It is Bomsy reporting live. I'm heading to work this morning. You guys, I have such a really busy day, like not even a joke. And I thought that following the coastal road I was not going to meet any traffic. It was just going to be a smooth sail, but we're literally just crawling. I'm on the coastal road and we are literally just hold on please. Hi Maureen. Morning.
I'm still calling you. I don't think I'm thanking you enough.
No, it's fine. It's fine. What are we here for? What are we here for? It's fine, darling. It's fine. No, you're most welcome. You're most welcome. It's not a problem. Okay.
Are you at work?
Hey, I'm heading to the office.
Why Why do you think that you don't move it?
Really? I go do more. I go even add more extra in.
My own is even remote self. It's not easy.
My own is hybrid. My own is hybrid. I say I'm strong with my Maureen. I go still add. No, just relax. I go still add more businesses to wait till you they see.
My life like this, as it you inspire me, honestly.
Because we have to live a purposeful life. Be inspired because more to come.
When I look at you like this, I want to keep going. Honestly, I'm not told you this thing before, but I said one day I'll come to the house.
Eh.
I'm telling you, like, I see it, I'm like, Mama can do this thing. Let me try.
Of course.
When I went to learn this neck, I was like, let me just try. I don't want to give up, but let me try.
No, you do excellently well. The decor has a lot of branches inside of it, and you will see now. I can see you also even do what they call it, these surprise boxes that has the balloons and all.
I'm not really good at it, you know, when they were teaching, so I'm trying to do more of it.
More of it. No, keep going. No. Maureen, God did not just call us alone to give birth to children and take care of them. He called us for many other things. Many other things. And one thing is that you will not know the amount of strength that, you know, God has embedded in you until you start it. No, it's fine. It's fine. You will do well. You do well. You also have a good thing that you have sisters in business that you can always call for questions and not. Okay, do you have this? Can you help me with this? My car was bad for a while. Oh, I had gearbox issue.
Your car was there, so I ran to go around to I said I trained in school. And I forgot to call for you.
Oh.
I keep seeing that my church record that makes clothes, I told you.
You're most welcome. You're most welcome. You will do excellently well. I know. I know. Just put your mind to it. You do excellently well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye. You too. Hey guys, this just feels like in sync of what I wanted to tell you people. So I just received a call from, you know, a friend of mine that, you know, needed my help like over the weekend, needed to use like, you know, most of my decor items, and also she had to send her boss to really pick up, and she just started newly, yeah. And she's saying that am I going to? I say yes now. She said, how do you do it? I said, God has made the grace available for me to do all of these things. God has made the grace available for me to do all of these things, and I'm not gonna say I have the fire for all of these things. I'm just going to quench it because I am somebody's wife and I'm somebody's mother. No, if someone calls me like this on a Monday morning and say, oh, you inspire me, so brings me to what I want to tell you guys. Yeah. So if you're in Nigeria in this period, right, we should do everything to survive, you know, apart from illegal things. Yeah, you know, when they say master of or jack of all trade is a master of none, it's a lie, yo. It's a lie, yo. Before I leave this earth, I'm gonna try a lot of things. I was telling my husband which day, I said, this food, this thing that you are saying, people will say, Bomsi, I tasted your food, it was so nice. I think you should go into pap making. I think you should go into this, you know. I think you should. I did pap. I did a lot of pap. I did different flavors of pap for my mom's yard sales when we were having yard sales in December. And I know the amount of people. In fact, someone even asked me on Saturday, said, do you have yellow pap? And I was like, no, I don't have. I just make it for my children, you know. I do body butter. You guys know, for the people that have been watching me for a very long time, you know that my children's body butter and their body cream has been made by me from inception till now. I don't buy them. I don't tell you that I rub them any other cream aside the cream that I make for them. And I've put it on my page, you know, a couple of times where I'm actually you know, whipping this cream for them and all. So I came to tell you people that, especially for us that are in Nigeria has gotten super expensive. Yes, if you are following one thing squarely, right, it's your business, it's raking in money for you, you can branch into other things, you can do other things. See, different sources of income is the way to go. That's how to build wealth. Different sources of income, you collect from here, you collect from here, you collect from here, is the way to build wealth. Yeah, so please, if I've ever come and tell you, oh, just focus on one thing, but I would say that focus on one thing, build it, let it be able to stand, you know, let it be able to stand, let it be solid. And one thing is that you just have to be diligent. You have to be diligent, you have to be consistent, you have to be focused. Don't start and stop. Don't start and because of how you are feeling in a day, you will give it a break. Don't start and stop. If you're building something that is a legacy and you want it to be solid, if you know that, you know, based on your emotions, if I have period cramps, I cannot do my work tomorrow, if I do this one, try as much as possible to, even if it's one staff or one person, right, employ the person. As you have employed the person, because you know that I have to meet up this person's salary in a month, or these people are working under me, you will realize that you will tend to be consistent and want to keep pushing and pushing. But if you do it all alone by yourself, you will see that sometimes you will fall off the bridge. Sometimes, you know, for example, now I'm going to work, yeah, and if I have a job for today, my team members already know what they're supposed to do. If I find a spare time, I would go there and oversee what they need to do. But I can be on video call with my assistant, you know, and let them know, okay, this is where the client said they want the placement, this is where it's supposed to be and all. You know, thankfully, I don't even go to the office all the time. Times have changed. Times have changed from those days where people have to be in the office all the time to do their work. My laptop is usually what they call it with me, you know. So in these particular times, you know, where we are, please pick up multiple streams of income. This YouTube I'm doing is a source of income as well, you know. So yeah, that's what I came to come and tell you this morning, as I am just on my journey and I'm heading to work. I have a very long day today, so I would see you guys much later. As God has deposited this strength inside of us, please channel it wisely. I think that's what I came here to tell each and every one of us as women as well, because I know that a huge amount of women follow me and watch me. As God has deposited this amount of, you know, strength inside of us, purpose, multitasking, you know, let's use it wisely. Okay, I'll see you guys. Let me just be heading. Okay, as the vlog continues, you're gonna see my pretty face. Okay. Hey guys, my people. Oh, I've missed chatting with you guys. I'm heading to my friend's place, so I have a job for tomorrow and I need to go and source flowers. Ooh, why is this thing dark? Yeah, let me turn on the AC. I'm sweating so much. You guys, my fuel is low again. This car had to go to the mechanic again. Somebody was writing in my comment section of that our video where I posted that flood in Lagos, so they had to come and take my car again, because I told you what the car experienced from the last time, gearbox issues, different things. So the mechanic came again, carried the car. Look at my fuel, and this fuel now that is by this, remember when I showed you guys few vlogs back, like where I bought fuel, where the tank was? Let me show you. This would take me about 60k to fill up. I'm not exaggerating. Let me show you where the tank is now. He just took it to fix it for like, I think a whole day, a full day, and brought it back the next day. Look at where the car, see, So even if you travel to Abeokuta, see, to God be all the glory. That's what I will keep saying. I thank God for his provisions. That's what I will keep saying. But it's just, I don't know, I don't want to use my mouth to say anything that is negative, but I have a job which I'm very excited for. I've been planning for this thing for the bride for like 2 months now. At the point I thought she was not even going to go ahead with me anymore, but it was like long silence. But eventually, you know, her mom was not feeling fine, so she took that time away to go and attend to her mom and all. But thankfully I'm doing the event for her tomorrow and I'm super excited for it. So I want to just go, and then I'm doing another event on Saturday, so I want to go and sort out flowers in what they call it, my friend's place. I want to go and sort out flowers. I want to go and do a lot of things today. I want to go and do bank runs. I want to do a lot of things today because the event for tomorrow is on the mainland and I am just getting ready for it. Yeah, so let us just go. Let me go and sort out everything I need to sort out. Hey, I carried my camera. I didn't carry my camera back. Kai, should I call Auntie Anna to help me? I don't know why I'm feeling sleepy. I posted something today. I feel like I've not slept the sleep that I needed to sleep. Like I've not slept it. Let me call Auntie Anna if she can let me bring my camera back downstairs so I can put my camera safe. But how are you guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? What's up with you guys? Auntie Anna, please can you help me? Help me bring my camera back downstairs. I'm packed downstairs. I've not left yet. Okay, thank you. Done you. Should have actually done a video of your space. Hold this thing for let me see. On it.